2007 Dodge Caliber. We got a code. We're gonna grab our light right here. P0171 lean code. Determined that oxygen sensor down there, right here, is the issue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this little guy right here from here. So I'm already tampered with this. So squeeze that tab, kind of pull that connector out of there. So let's see if my 22mm is gonna be handy dandy today for me, or am I gonna have to switch up to another tool? There you go. That might not work out for me right there, so I'm gonna have to switch up to a different tool that can be like a socket and work for me right there perfectly and evenly. Okay, got my 3x8 ratchet here with a 22mm socket here. KD3925 is the part number on this. Equivalent to 7x8. So this goes on around the wiring there, and then it goes deep in there, and then it finds a spot, and then we're able to kind of yank on this guy. Sometimes you gotta heat up these stupid sensors, but there you go. Once it's loose, we should be able to take off our tool there. Let's kind of tap on that tool. It's kind of stuck there. The sensor's loose. See how it goes right through that slot. Pretty good. And now we should be able to turn and get this baby out. Got a new part coming in. So something like this should be able to do it yourself at home. It's right from the top here. Okay, that thing looks kind of crappy. You think that's not gonna run lean? Look at that. Look at the condition of this. Sometimes even cleaning this baby makes a big difference. So we'll do a video on that down the road. Cleaning is not a big deal on these, but anyways, let's wait for the new part and we'll walk through with installation. Once you're done, you need to reset the light with the scan tool. The light will not go away on its own, but then it takes, if you're going for inspection, it will take about at least the cycle is about 90 miles. You could drive 20 miles on the highway, turn off the car, that would be a key cycle. Give it 2-3 minutes, start it back up, drive again 20 miles, and do that a couple of times. Give it about 4 to 5 key cycles on and off. Drive 20 miles, turn off, start back up. That's one key cycle. Drive another 20 miles, turn off, turn on. Give it 1 or 2 minutes in between to turn it back on. That'd be another key cycle. Anyways, we're just waiting for the part now. So we got our new sensor. I always try to use Denso brand, and the part number on this particular one is 2344881. And that is a good brand. If you got something else, NKT, it's up to you. But this is what I use, and what we're gonna do is unpack the guy. I always tell you guys, I'm working with one hand. If I could do things with one hand, you could do it with 2 hands. So the sensors might look a little different, but that's fine because they don't have to be same exact looking, but the function is going to be pretty much the same. And what we're going to do here is, you always want to match up at least the connector. You know, it's going to have to fit properly. So that looks good. We're going to take this sensor. They already got the indices on. If you want to put that, it's up to you. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna reach down there and we are gonna catch the threads. Make sure you catch the threads straight, and that washer, that crush washer there, make sure that thing is in there properly. So once it's in there, I'm gonna just use my 22mm to lock it back up. Don't have to be nothing crazy. Usually like 23 foot-pound. Don't need to use my socket, in another word. One more snug and we're good to go. That feels good. So put this to the side. For any reason, if your check engine light come back on, you can check for vacuum leaks, but I did all the determination on this baby. This is the only thing I come out with. When you're running lean and rich, those codes are a little bit tough to tackle, so you have to start somewhere. There you go. I'm gonna strap tie this here somewhere. You can even get it into here, but make sure this doesn't touch anything so the sensor doesn't burn. Okay, so I am gonna reroute this whole thing properly and we're done pretty much. Reset the light like I said and you're good to go. Again, 22 millimeter Denso brand, part number right there for this particular car. So we're done, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Same thing with other vehicles. If you got lean codes, MAF sensor, vacuum leak, or oxygen sensor. This vehicle we don't have MAF sensor. I sprayed down for vacuums, didn't find anything, and that was the only thing that I could narrow it down. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.